Yes guys, welcome to a video about SoundCloud, and we're gonna show you how you can update your SoundCloud to the newest version of SoundCloud from today. Well, we show you two different methods you can try, and if the first method don't work, please try the next method. And then if you stick till the end, I have one bonus method what sometimes can work, but that's not always the case. But the first most important problem what people get is they don't update the apps automatically. So what we're gonna do, we go to settings and then we go to apps. We go to App Store. And then you can switch automatic downloads, you can switch it on. So then SoundCloud, if there is any update available on your phone, you can automatic download it. If you have the problem not solved yet, we go solve it now. And we go to the App Store and we go search for SoundCloud. Yes, and then sometimes there is an update available and you can press update, but now in my case there is not any update available, and there is the letters open, and open means, well, we open it and there is no update available. Well, the second thing you can do is restart your phone. Well, of course, if you don't want to use your side buttons, you can go to General and then you go down, you swipe down and you can press shutdown, and then you swipe to the right and you shut your iPhone down. That's one option. Well, there is one more option, and that's your internet. If you have your internet on, you can put it off, you can restart your phone without internet and then put your internet back on again. And that will help sometimes, and that's the bonus method that sometimes in some cases will work, but not always. So if you remain any problems, please let them know in the comment section below, and I will try to figure it out with you and try to help you. Yes? Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye-bye.